In this video, I'll show you how to disable the Duet option for all videos on TikTok. First, open TikTok and make sure you're signed in to your account. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Interactions section and tap Reuse of Content. Now tap Allow Reuse of Content. From here, change the setting from Everyone to Friends. If you want to completely disable duets and other content reuse features, tap on the Friends option and remove all selected friends. If you don't have any friends on TikTok, the feature will effectively be disabled. Once you've updated the setting, the changes will apply automatically. And that's how to disable the Duet option for all videos on TikTok. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.